lined up. In fact, we're talking about Tera Software, where they've bagged orders worth around 321 crores from the Andhra Pradesh government. To talk more about this, we have Mr. Gopi, the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of the company, joining in to brief us on it. Hi, Mr. Chand. Thanks very much for taking the time out. Take us through this order win of around 321 crores. What are the margins that you might generate, and what does it mean for the company in terms of their total order book? Where does it stand now?
No, we are looking at this as a first type of a kind of a project into the digital India.
Okay.
Where the rural internet services is the prime focus by the Indian government. Under that, the first initiation was taken up in the state of the Andhra Pradesh. So where the company is looking for the similar opportunities in the other parts of the country. So similarly, already 18 states are in the follow-up looking at what the Andhra Pradesh government is implementing to go ahead. The company is looking forward to enhance the telecom segment into the other areas of the country under the National Fiber Network Project, Optical Fiber Network Project.
All right, Mr. Gopi, just stay on for a bit. We have numbers flashing on our screen. GREAVES report their second quarter numbers, and the total income comes in at 425 crore versus a pool of 430 crores. Fairly in line, marginal miss from the street's estimates, but it's the bottom line which has seen a growth of about 10 crores over our estimates of 44 crore, and that is perhaps why the stock is seeing a 6.5% up move. You have any details on the EBITDA?
Well, not on the EBITDA, just the fact that there's been a good turnaround which has taken place on the bottom line on a Q-on-Q basis as well. So 54.26 crores compares to 27.3 crores year on year, and it compares to 43.34 crores on a Q-on-Q basis as well. So you can see how the profitability has improved. It has come above our expectations in any case, but it's definitely a turnaround on the bottom line. On a Q-on-Q basis, the profitability has improved. Exceptional expenses of around 1.85 crores in the quarter. 1.85 crores, which compares to around 14.8 crores on a year-on-year basis. So some more few details.
Well, the stock is actually coming off the day's high also because the profitability has been aided by a higher other income. Other income is coming close to around 11 crore versus about 6 crore in the relevant quarter of the year gone by, which is why perhaps the stock is coming off the high point of the day as well, down about 3.5% from the top. Maybe the profitability rather has been boosted by that other income factor as well. So that was GREAVES Cotton. Coming back to our conversation, Mr. Gopi Chand, can you tell us, with this order win that you've generated from the Andhra Pradesh government, what does your total order book stand at? And on the back of this order, what is the possible value of orders that you're likely to get from other states as well?
So there is a budget allocated for the entire India is 80,000 crores by the central government, where each state is going to invest something around 4,000 to 5,000 crores. The Andhra Pradesh government, this is the phase 1 of the work, and they are going to invest almost 5,000 crores into the phase 2 of the work in the Andhra Pradesh government.
Okay.
Market size is around 80,000 crores.
And what's the execution period of this order?
This is for the 9 months.
Okay. All right. Mr. Chand, just hold on. We just have a few more details with regards to GREAVES Cotton, where there has been a strong EBITDA improvement, which has in fact come in. So 75 crores or 76 odd crores compares to 56 crores on a year-on-year basis. And that results in margins of around 18% versus 13% on a year-on-year basis. So good amount of operating performance which has come in on GREAVES Cotton. But Mr. Chand, thank you very much for joining in and talking to us about your order win of around over 300 crores. But we need to shift focus to another